How to price your digital products to make them irresistible to buyers? Honestly, there are different ways you might adopt to price a product and service, but there are three parameters you should seriously consider to determine the right price of your stuff. Number one, your authority. It influences your perceived value. Number two, your target audience, who you want to serve. And number three, the offer, probably the most important parameter under your control. Let's speak about each of these three parameters to let you understand how you can use them to price your product or service. Parameter number one, your authority. If you are well known in the market because you are an expert in that specific field, you can obviously charge more money for the same product or service your competition is selling. In addition, acquiring a client is cheaper and the buying process is faster. The question is, how could you build your authority? The answer is straightforward. You have to start sharing your knowledge and experience on social networks for free in order to develop your content authority. Today, people are more educated, and before buying anything, they want to know if they can trust you, if you are a reliable person, if you know the subject you are talking about, and so on. So, social content allows you to create your authority, to be seen as the expert in your field of competency. And people want to be guided by experts, so become the expert your clients want to work with. Honestly, a few people are willing to create their content authority online. And today, January 2023, you still have a great competitive advantage. This content creation process influences your products or services prices and allows you to get clients faster. Parameter number two, your target audience. Your target audience represents the people you want to serve, who you want to do business with. Especially if you want to sell digital products or services, your market becomes the entire world. You can sell online video courses and services worldwide, and by doing so, you can reach different audiences with different economic power. Let me give you a concrete example to let you understand this crucial concept. Let's suppose you want to sell an online video course in which you teach how to create and sell online video courses. Forget about the offer for a moment, because I'll tell you everything you need to know on how to craft an offer in the following parameter. I can definitely say that you can sell this information product in the United States for $500 one-time payment. But if you want to help Indian and African people, they have completely different salaries, and selling the same online course for $500 is not a great idea. So, in this case, since you are serving a different geographical area, you have to do these two things. Number one, discover the average salary for the audience you want to serve. And number two, create different paths to get leads, aka potential clients, from different continents or geographical areas. It means creating different marketing funnels with different offers to convert prospects into paid clients. In this way, your target audience influences your products and services prices. Now, let's switch to the third and most important parameter under your control. Parameter number three, the offer. Before explaining how to create the right offer and the most important variables you should pay attention to, I want to let you know that many people buy things they can't afford to impress people they don't care about. This is an important statement that I want you to learn by heart. So, if your offer is properly structured, you will get more clients with less effort, and at the same time, you can ask for more money. Now, what are the three variables that influence an offer? Variable number one, fast results. People are willing to pay more money for a digital product that allows them to get fast results. If your intention is to sell online video courses and charge more money than your competition, you have to add more value in the form of support. So, don't leave your clients alone. Think in terms of how you can help them speed up the learning process and get the results they want in the shortest time possible. In your offer, always include real support from trained and skilled collaborators in order to help your clients get fast results. Variable number 2, minimize the effort. People are willing to invest more money when they recognize they can get their dream outcome with minimum effort. Decreasing the effort and sacrifice, or at least the perceived effort and sacrifice, can massively boost the appeal of your offer. Do not forget that marketing is a game of perceptions. If your prospects can perceive that your offer helps them get the results they want with a low effort, they are willing to pay more money for your products or services. It means you can price them higher. Variable number 3. Increase the likelihood of achievement. People pay premium prices for certainty. They value certainty. In other words, your prospects want an answer to this question. How much do I believe to achieve my desired result thanks to your digital product or service? So, you have to provide information, proof or guarantee that your product or service works. If you start from scratch and you don't have testimonials to support your message, your content authority becomes fundamental. Or you can craft a very special offer for your first clients in order to get a priceless testimonial, which lets you increase the price of your product or service for the following clients. With that being said, if you want me to help you create an amazing offer for your digital products or services, or you want to learn the most paid digital marketing skills to create even a 7-figure business, I'm going to release a special program on February 2023, Freedom Business Blueprint. Subscribe to the wait list now. I put the link to the subscription page in the description below. In the meantime, I recommend you to watch this next video. 3 digital products ideas that make over $300 every day in 2023. Nothing more to say, just watch it now.